Why your LLC might not protect you until you do this. Well, let's go back to 3 years ago when my client first started an LLC in under 20 minutes. He filed with the state, he got his EIN, opened a bank account, he even bought that fancy gold seal from that company that made it all feel legit. But then something happened. That same LLC, it cost him $75,000 in court. Why? Because the judge said, your LLC doesn't exist. Technically, it did, on paper. But practically, it wasn't protecting him from anything. Let me show you why and how we can fix it. So my client did what most people do. He searched how to start an LLC. And he clicked that first link in the Google search. He filled out the form, he paid the $155, boom, LLC formed. Easy, right? I want to be clear. The state is happy to take your money. What they don't tell you is that you're only halfway down the field. You've got the birth certificate, but you skipped the raising the child. When his business got sued, the opposing attorney did what any smart attorney would do. They challenged the legitimacy of the LLC itself. They claimed it was just a shell. There was no real separation. And the judge agreed. They pierced the corporate veil in under 10 minutes. That means the LLC couldn't protect him. So they went after his personal assets. This happens all the time to business owners who think an LLC is like buying insurance. But it's not. An LLC is more like a bulletproof vest. It only works if you wear it correctly and every single day. The good news, there are 4 simple steps you can take to make sure your LLC does the job. Step number 1, separate everything. Use a business bank account, a business credit card, and keep your finances completely separate. If you mix your personal and business expenses, even once, it can be used as evidence that your LLC isn't real. Step 2, create an operating agreement, even if you're the sole owner of the company. This is the document that proves your LLC actually exists and governs how it operates. Without it, you're not protected. You're just playing business. Step 3, document major decisions. Keep corporate minutes, even if it's just you and the business. Record major decisions. Hiring, big expenses, new ventures. It shows you're operating as a real company, not just treating your LLC like a hobby. Step 4, maintain your corporate formalities. Make sure you're signing your contracts properly. John Smith, manager of XYZ LLC. When you get paid into the LLC. Send your invoices from the LLC. Use the LLC name everywhere. Show the world and a judge, if they have to get involved, that your business stands on its own 2 feet. Starting an LLC is easy. The state makes it simple on purpose. But maintaining one that actually protects you, that's where most business owners fail. You wouldn't buy a fire extinguisher and leave it in the box when your kitchen's on fire. But that's what it's like if you form an LLC and just stop at formation. You've got the paperwork, but you've got no protection. If you've already formed an LLC and you're not sure if it's set up right, or if you're about to start one and you want to avoid a $75,000 mistake, I put together a free guide that walks you through the first 4 steps to protect yourself. It's called Starting Your LLC, the first 4 steps to get it right. And you can grab it for free at the link below. If you have more questions, head over to my website, andrewmayers.com. There's a red legal strategy session button on the front page. Click that and you'll be taken to my scheduling page where we can set up a quick, complimentary legal strategy session to get your questions answered and discuss next steps for you and your business. If you like this video, please hit the like or thumbs up button below. You can head over to YouTube or ayerslawtv.com to subscribe for future episodes. And remember, if you're serious about protecting your business and your future, don't stop at the paperwork. Do it the right way. And if you need help, I'm here when you're ready.